Hello friends, welcome to my lectures. In this video, we are going to discuss about Ayushman Bharat. Ayushman Bharat Yojana or the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. Ayushman Bharat or Healthy India is a national initiative launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji as the part of National Health Policy 27 in order to achieve the vision of universal health coverage. It is also known as the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana scheme. It is essentially a health insurance scheme to cater to the poor, lower section of the society and the vulnerable population. The scheme offers financial protection in case of hospitalization due to medical emergencies. Considered as one of the biggest schemes in the world, Ayushman Bharat Yojana aims to cover more than 50 crore Indian citizens. It is designed especially for the economically weaker sections of the country. The PMJAY was launched in September 2018, providing health insurance coverage of a maximum sum insured amount of rupees 5 lakhs. Let us see the background of this program. India, as we all know, that the second most populous country with a total population of more than 1.3 billion people facing inadequacy supply of essential healthcare services. Despite making remarkable strides in several sectors, India is still classified as a lower middle income country, according to World Bank classification of countries based on per capita GDP, mostly due to its consistent socio-economic and health indicators. Statistics shows that more than 20% of Indian population still lives under Indian rupees 150 per day. The mission of eradication of major communicable diseases remains unfinished. The population is also bearing the high burden of non-communicable diseases and injuries. This leads to an overall rise in the demand for health care over a prolonged period of time. The public sector hospitals in India are understandably overburdened. So their utilization varies widely and they often have to work under challenging circumstances arising from the lack of sufficient funds, a shortage of trained health workers, and the erratic and often deficit supply of drugs and equipment which adversely impacts their functioning. To address these challenges, the Government of India took a two-pronged approach under the umbrella of Ayushman Bharat. Ayushman Bharat adopts a continuum of care approach comprising of two interrelated components. They are establishment of health and wellness centers, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. Health and wellness centers. The first component of this strategy was disease prevention and health promotion to curb the increasing epidemic of non-communicable diseases. This was to be ensured through upgradation of the existing network of sub-centers and primary health centers to health and wellness centers. Nearly 150,000 health and wellness centers are to be set up in the country over the next few years, which will work towards reducing the overall disease burden and hospitalization needs of the population. The second component was the launch of the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, which aims to create a system of demand-led healthcare reforms that meet the immediate hospitalization needs of the eligible beneficiary family in a cashless manner, thus insulating the family from catastrophic financial shock. In the long run, the PMJAY, through its system of incentives, aims to expand the availability of its services. Because of its scope, PMJAY is the world's largest health insurance or assurance scheme that offers health cover to nearly 10.74 crores of poor families, which comes to a staggering 50 crore Indians that form 40% of its bottom population. It is fully funded by the government and provides financial protection for a wide variety of secondary and tertiary care hospitalizations. The prime objective of PMJAY is to reduce catastrophic out-of-pocket health expenditure by improving access to quality health care for its underprivileged population. Let us see the benefits covered under Ayushman Bharat Yojana scheme. The government health insurance scheme covers most of the medical treatment cost, medicines, diagnostics, and pre-hospitalization expenses. Additionally, the scheme offers cashless hospitalization services through the Ayushman Bharat Yojana or PMJY e-card. With the intention to provide accessible health care to the poor and needy, the Ayushman Bharat Yojana scheme offers coverage up to Rs 5 lakhs per family per year for secondary and tertiary hospitalization care. The health insurance under PMJY includes hospitalization cost of beneficiaries and includes the below components: medical examination, consultation and treatment, pre-hospitalization services, non-intensive and intensive care services, medicine and medical consumables, diagnostic and laboratory services, accommodation, medical implant services wherever possible, food services, complication arising during treatment, post-hospitalization expenses for up to 15 days, and also COVID-19 treatment. Services which are not covered under Ayushman Bharat Yojana scheme includes: similar to other types of health insurance policies, the Ayushman Bharat Yojana scheme has also some exclusions. So the components which are not covered under this scheme are outpatient department expenses, drug rehabilitation, cosmetic surgeries, fertility treatments, individual diagnostics, organ transplant. And let us see the features of Ayushman Bharat Yojana scheme. So below are some of the key features of PMJAY scheme. So it is one of the world's largest health insurance schemes financed by the government of India. The coverage of Rs 5 lakhs per family per annum for secondary and tertiary care across public and private hospitals. Approximately 50 crore beneficiaries are eligible for this scheme, and it is cashless hospitalization, covers up to 3 days of pre-hospitalization expenses such as medicines and diagnostics, covers up to 15 days of post-hospitalization expenses which includes medicines and diagnostics. No restriction on the family size, gender or age, can avail services across the country at any of the empaneled public and private hospitals, all pre-existing conditions covered from day 1 onwards. The scheme includes 1,393 medical procedures. It also includes costs of diagnostic services, drugs, room charges, physician's fees, surgeon charges, supplies, ICU and OT charges. Public hospitals are reimbursed at par with private hospitals. And these are some of the critical diseases or illnesses which are covered under Ayushman Bharat Yojana scheme. Prostate cancer, double valve replacement, coronary artery bypass graft, COVID-19, pulmonary valve replacement, skull base surgeries, anterior spine fixation, laryngopharyngectomy with gastric pull-up, tissue expander for disfigurement following burns, carotid angioplasty with stent. And let us see the eligibility criteria to become eligible to utilize Ayushman Bharat Yojana for rural as well as urban population. The scheme has been launched to cover the bottom 40% of poor and economically weaker sections of the country. So this was based on the deprivation and occupational criteria of the socio-economic caste census of 2011 for rural and urban areas. The Ayushman Bharat Yojana eligibility is designed with preconditions so that only the unprivileged people of the society benefit from the initiatives. So, eligibility criteria of rural areas includes the rural households are ranked based on their status of 7 deprivation criteria. Of these criteria, the scheme covers all beneficiaries who fall under at least one of the below 6 deprivation categories and automatically includes destitutes, manual scavenger families, living through arms, primitive tribal group, bonded laborers. The criteria are households with only one room with kacha walls and roofs, no adult member in the age group between 16 and 15 years, no adult male member in the age group between 16 and 15 years, which means no earning member, disabled member and no able-bodied member in the household, scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, landless households and major sources of income are through manual casual labor. And the criteria for urban areas include, under the scheme, urban households are categorized based on their occupation. So below are the 11 occupational categories of workers who are eligible for the Ayushman Bharat Yojana scheme. So these are the 11 occupational categories: beggar, domestic worker, rag picker, mechanic, electrician, repair worker, assembler, chowkidar, washerman, cobbler, street vendor, hawker, other service providers on the street, plumber, construction worker, mason, painter, labor, welder, security guard, coolie, sweeper, mali, sanitation worker, artisan, handicraft workers, tailor, home-based worker, driver, transport worker, conductor, cart or rickshaw puller, helper to drivers or conductors, shop workers, peon in small establishments, assistant helpers, attendant, delivery assistant, waiter, etc. Financing of the scheme. PMJAY is completely funded by the government and costs are shared between the central government and state governments. The government of India decides a national ceiling amount per family that is used to determine the maximum limit of the central share of the contribution. Continuation to the benefits of PMJAY to the health system. Health system benefits of Ayushman Bharat includes helps India progressively achieve universal health coverage and sustainable development goals, ensures improved access and affordability of quality secondary and tertiary care services through a combination of public hospitals and well-measured strategic purchasing of services in healthcare deficit areas from private care providers, especially the not-for-profit providers. Significantly reduce out-of-pocket expenditure for hospitalization, mitigate financial risk arising out of catastrophic health episodes, and consequent improvements for poor and vulnerable families. Acting as a steward align the growth of private sector with public health goals. Enhanced use of evidence-based healthcare and cost control for improved health outcomes. Strengthen public healthcare systems through infusion of insurance revenues. Enable creation of new health infrastructure in rural, remote and underserved areas. Increase health expenditure by government as a percentage of GDP. Enhanced patient satisfaction and improved healthcare outcomes. Improvement in population level productivity and efficiency. Improved quality of life for the population. So these are the benefits of Ayushman Bharat Yojana to the government. Thank you.